All right, guys, today we will walk the Jolly Roger Pier, which is on Topsail Beach at Topsail Island, North Carolina. Now, this is right before Hurricane Debbie comes ashore, and we wanted to go out and get some cool shots of this pier and the ocean and the beach. Now, a pier is basically a dock that is made out of wood and goes out into the ocean. This pier, the Jolly Roger Pier, is actually 850 feet long, which is 260 meters. And so people go out to the pier for various reasons. Sometimes it's to just enjoy the view, to see a sunset or a sunrise, to check out things on the beach, also to fish. People fish on the pier as well. And so there's various reasons to go out on the pier. Seagulls will land and you can watch them as well. People just have a good time fishing and also, enjoying community, talking with each other, and having a good time with their family or friends or strangers they just met. All right, so we have walked 850 feet or 260 meters to the end of this pier. Now, normally there would be a lot of people fishing out here, and this is where you catch the big fish, right here at the end of the pier. But because the hurricane's coming, a lot of people are not going out to fish, or they've gone inland to find a safe place to be. But not me. I want to be out here where the wind is and getting some shots before the hurricane. Now, if you're out for a good day and you're going to spend a few hours fishing, you may want to grab something to eat. You may need to grab some tackle to use for bait, lures, and things like that. They also have candy and crackers and drinks, and a little cafe area that you can go in and sit and eat whatever you buy there. That's a really beautiful little place. It's quaint, it's classic, it's not new, it's cool because it's kind of retro. They have breakfast sandwiches, and when I mean breakfast sandwiches, they actually have it on loaf bread, so you can get a sausage egg sandwich. Again, they have souvenirs and hats and t-shirts and anything you would need to fish on the pier. You can actually buy a fishing license for a day. It's a great place to enjoy nature and a good time fishing or just watching people or watching the ocean. It's very peaceful out there. Now, I'm using my drone on this video, and I will be using it a lot more in my videos in the days to come. As you can see, it gives a different perspective, a great way to view things from a distance that you might not normally see. It's almost like taking a helicopter ride without having to get into a helicopter. So the drone will give us a different perspective, a bird's eye view, and we can just get some really cool shots, right? Let's do it. So I'd like for you guys to let me know what you think of the drone footage as we go along. Tell me the things you like. Tell me the things you don't like. I'm enjoying it, and I think it's going to give us some cool videos. I just have to learn how to fly this thing before I fly it into a bird and crash it. So anyway, we had a good time. Me and a couple of my nephews were out there, and this is a shot from the side of the pier, obviously. Look, if it was a nice day, there would be so many people lined up on there, you wouldn't believe it. And everybody would be having a good time, but hurricane's coming. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video of the Jolly Roger Pier on Topsail Beach in Topsail Island, North Carolina. This is the Atlantic Ocean, and there will be some more videos of different piers up and down that beach. Thanks for walking with me. Thanks for flying with me. And let's get out of here before this hurricane hits, all right? Hey, I got to tell you, this was a cool day. Even though the weather was bad, I think it was some good stuff.